Growing up a Dallas Cowboy fan means I was also a huge Roger Staubach fan. Roger once said, "There are no traffic jams along the extra mile." Going the extra mile is our main focus with every customer that considers our company for their exterior cleaning needs. From the time you call our office through the completion of your estimate and the work that you requested, we promise to make the entire process as easy as we possibly can for you. Hi, I'm Doug Rucker, owner of Clean and Green Solutions, a Houston-based pressure washing company servicing the entire Houston, Texas area. Whether it's our office manager, Laura, our estimate consultant, Josh Harris, or our field supervisor, Ty Weisenbaker, our promise is to wow you. And not just with how we clean your home or business while protecting it from damage caused by high pressure, but to also showcase our exceptional customer service so that we're the only cleaning company you'll ever consider. Thank you so much for visiting our website, and if I can ever help you in any way, feel free to call or text me on my personal cell anytime at 281-883-8470.